Hello everyone, my name is Casey Jordan and I am a rep for Epilog Laser. I want to thank Jessamine County Public Library for allowing me to do this collaboration with them to bring you these videos and help you succeed with running the laser systems. In today's video, we're going to be going over the fiber laser system. The difference between the CO2 and the fiber is going to come down to the wavelength and the focus that you put onto the material. With each focal point, it gives you a very different engraving. So by the end of this video, we will be able to determine exactly what we are wanting. You might be wondering why I'm holding this hammer. Well, the reason I'm holding this hammer is because we have two different fiber jobs within this one hammer. We have the steel, and then we have the plastic. So let's go with the easy one first, which is the steel. I'm going to place this inside the machine and focus to my material first, just like our basics. We will go to jog mode and drag our lens head over our material. You may either take the manual focus tool or use the autofocus of the machine to focus up to this material. In this instance, I'm going to do the manual focus tool because of the curve of the hammer. So we will set our manual focus tool there, go to our focus button, and then raise the table up. Once we get close, I'm going to re-jog that tool over the material and focus directly on top of it. This tool just barely has to touch. You do not want to raise it or keep it angled. It just barely needs to touch so that it grabs the material. Take your piece off and reset the machine so that we can use the camera for our measurement points. Once we have our material set in our machine, we're going to set up Corel just like a basic job. So we're going to go to Get Started, New Document, make sure it says RGB, and we're going to set the table size for the size of our machine, 24 by 12. Once we have Corel set, now we can go into our dashboard and create the snapshot of the material that's in the machine. I'll type in my dashboard or job manager, either one. And you see the camera comes up with our hammer, and I'm just going to zoom into the portion that I want to engrave, and I'm going to copy the background image. Once copied, go back to CorelDRAW and paste that image in. Now I am able to design around this image. So I'm going to lock this photograph down so it does not move. And then I'm going to put my logo or text on my piece. Once I tap out what I want, I'm going to drag this over. I can rotate it to the correct side. Change my font and size it accordingly. Once placed, I'll do a few minor adjustments. And now I'm ready to send this over to the machine itself. So I'll make sure my text is highlighted, go to print, choose the Epilog engraver, turn my preview on, and then I will hit selection, and then we will send it over to the machine. Once sent to the job manager, we're going to set the speed and power of this. So when doing this tool, I want to make sure that this cannot be buffed off or anything of that nature because it is property. So I'm going to make this go a little slower. I'm going to open up my import material settings, go down to stainless steel, marking and etching, import those in. Now everything is set. I just hit print and I walk over to the machine to watch the magic happen. Press play and the machine will run the job. Once the job is done, raise the lid and check to make sure that the desired depth is achieved. If it is not, just run it one more time. Next, I want to focus up to my plastic portion of this. So I jog the lens head over, go to my focus button, and raise the table so that it touches. Take my manual focus tool off, reset the lens head. Now I want to take a new snapshot because I have moved this job. So take the snapshot, open Corel, unlock the previous picture and delete. Paste the new one in, lock it down, and now I can design in my area. Once I have my picture set and my text in, I'm just going to resize this and place it in the desired area. Go to print, make sure you have selection on, hit print again, and we do the same exact thing. We choose the import folder, find our plastic, and choose the best material for us. In this sense, I'm going to try this 2-layer engravable plastic. And And we're going to run this job with that set. Put that over and press play. Obviously not the correct setting. This is not the good thing. So I'll leave that setting. Camera if it does. Okay, ready? Once the job is done, raise the lid, and now you can see that your plastic is marked with a dark, readable mark.
And now enjoy this blooper.
Quiet on set. I'm dying all day to say that.
Is it angle good? We're good?
Yeah.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you would like to see more Maker Monday videos, check out this playlist. You can also learn more about the JCPL Creative Space at www.jesspublib.org/creative space.